When Broyles appeared in court today, his public defender asked to speak to him, and he said, "Watch what you say on the phone and to your cellmates." News4Jax.com digital reporter Travis Gibson is live in the newsroom. Travis, you've been looking into past murder cases where jailhouse confessions became key evidence.
Yeah, Kent, the trial of Russell Tillis is the most recent example of an incriminating jailhouse confession coming into play in a high-profile murder case. I spoke to our crime and safety expert to find out why these confessions may happen and why they can be valuable evidence. A stern warning from the public defender to William Broyles in court this morning, the Nassau County man charged with killing his wife and 2 adult children. The attorney telling him to keep quiet.
Mr. Broyles, do not use the telephone to talk about this case. The only individuals you are to talk to are our office, our investigator, and our felony attorneys who will be out to see you. The phones are recorded. Your cellmates are recording you. You are not to be discussing the facts of this case. This is to protect your rights.
Another local murder case that saw an inmate testify in court, Russell Tillis confided in his cellmate that he had a history of picking up girls, assaulting them, even mentioning a, quote, little blonde. But his fellow inmate was wearing a wire, and that confession ultimately helped prosecutors get a guilty verdict in the murder case. Also in the murder case of Michael Heim, 2 inmates testified he confessed to killing his wife when he was in jail with them in 2015. He was also convicted.
They may have a conscience once they get behind bars and begin to talk and regurgitate exactly what happened, more so than what the police may or may not know. So that information that inmate is divulging could be very, very valuable in a court of law.
News4Jax crime and safety expert Ken Jefferson says most attorneys warn of this because putting wires on inmates happens often.
It's a common practice that's done when it's needed. It's not everybody that goes in. When you're talking about, let's just take this case for instance, you've got multiple deaths at the hands of one person. There may be some more information that prosecutors need to try to help them with this particular case.
But sometimes jail admissions can get tricky. In the ongoing Kimberly Kessler murder trial, also in Nassau County, inmates were listed as witnesses against Kessler, but the judge threw out their testimony as hearsay. In the case of William Broyles, the damage may already be done. Nassau County Sheriff Bill Leeper said yesterday Broyles is the one who called 911 to report the shooting, and then he told deputies he shot each victim multiple times just to make sure they didn't suffer. Broyles' next court date is set for December 21st. Back to you.